I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. If you find these systems a struggle, remember PD Tech offers full-service bookkeeping tailored for NZ trades.
Learn how to import bank statements into Xero so you can reconcile accounts and track accurate bank balances, even if a bank feed isn't available. Import bank statements directly from the Xero homepage. Click the Import a Statement button, or use the menu icon on the relevant bank account and choose Import a Statement. There's 3 steps to complete a bank statement import: upload, import settings, and review. Read the information to help you prepare a file for upload. You can download bank statements from your online banking as an OFX, QFX, QIF, QBO, or CSV file. OFX is the preferred format, as you won't need to change the file or data before importing it. Use the Learn More About Importing Transactions link for more information about importing bank data into Xero. If your bank only provides a CSV file, you can download and import it, but you'll need to check it has all the information in the format Xero needs to successfully import it. Use the CSV template to ensure you include what Xero needs in your import file. Click Download Xero CSV template. Let's take a quick look at the CSV file. The template contains fields to complete to import bank statement details. The date and amount fields are mandatory, as indicated by an asterisk in the column heading. The other columns are optional, but we recommend including as much information as possible, as it could help you reconcile the statement lines in Xero later. You can either copy the headings from the template file into your downloaded bank statement, CSV file, or copy the data from your CSV into the Xero template. It's often easier to copy data from your CSV file to the Xero template. Whichever way you choose, you'll need to ensure the column headings match the data. Pay particular attention to the amount column. Xero needs all amounts to be in one column, with income as positive amounts and expenses as negative amounts. In this example, you can see we've copied and pasted details from a downloaded CSV bank statement file into the template, taking care to bring income and expenses into the one amount column. When you're happy, the template has all the correct data in the right format, save it as a CSV file and return to Xero. If there are already bank transactions in Xero, it shows the most recent transaction, so you can check your bank import will continue from the correct date. To upload a bank statement, drag and drop it on screen, or click Select File to browse your computer. Once selected, you'll see the file Xero will upload. You can use the bin icon to remove a file if needed. If you import an OFX or QIF file, you won't need to map and assign columns. The first time you import a CSV file, you must map and assign columns to ensure Xero matches the column to the correct field. Xero suggests these for you, but we recommend reviewing them. For example, check Xero will assign the date column in your file to the transaction date field, and the amount column to the transaction amount field. Use the Preview from CSV File section to help you understand the data in your file and where it should go. You can use the Previous and Next arrows under the Map and Assign Columns section to view other transactions if needed. Ensure the following checkbox is selected so it doesn't import the first row in your CSV file, as it contains column headings. Once you've mapped and assigned all columns, review the transaction preview to ensure Xero will import the statement lines as you expect. It's a good idea to check the dates are correct and the amounts are shown in the spent or received column as expected. This could be where you find errors in transferring amounts from the downloaded bank statement file to the one amount column in the template file. Use the previous and next arrows to review more transactions. Click Next to review a summary of all transactions in the import. This is the final opportunity to review details such as the dates and amounts and confirm the total number of transactions matches what you expect. If you find anything unusual, use the Back or Edit Import Settings buttons to fix issues, then start the import process again. After confirming everything is correct, click Complete Import. Xero takes you to the bank reconciliation screen, where you can see all the imported transactions. We recommend connecting a bank feed where possible, or uploading bank statements frequently to keep your records in Xero accurate and up to date.